Ulus Elektronik has been established in Istanbul with the leading experience of Necmettin Özkurt since 1983.
Türk milleti çalışkandır.
In 2017, it moved to its own factory, located on 4,500 square meters closed area in Kocaeli. Provides various services in the national and global market with 37 years of industry experience. Our firm, which provides services in many sectors, especially in the defense industry, automotive industry, and household appliances, is the most experienced company of Turkey in winding circuit products. Using the latest technology PCBA and test equipment in electronic card production, Ulus Elektronik combines harness manufacturing and electromechanical assembly service and provides turnkey solutions with the finished product. Functional, aging, and qualification tests can be applied to the products manufactured at Ulus Elektronik. Is one of the exceptional companies in Turkey, having nationalization and domestic production certificate, as well as its many certificates. It is periodically inspected and certified by the International Independent Certification Body, DQS. Today, it continues to take firm steps forward as the most reliable company in the sector, with more than 150 employees and innovative solutions. Ulus Elektronik.